Hey, my dear friends, you are watching English with Mansur, the place to build your English confidence. So, this is the day 17 of my English speaking practice, and this is also a very special day for Muslim around the world, which is called as Eid-ul-Adha. And in this day, we woke up very early in the morning and pray Fajr prayer, and then we eat some sweets and go to pray Eid prayer. So, we have already finished our further prayer, and now we have come here for roaming on this road, and along with our strolling on this road, we are making video and practicing English. So once again I am with my cousin Johan for practicing English in my village, and in this festival I have come to my village for celebrate this beautiful festival of Muslim. So since this is the day of Eid-ul-Adha, that's why I am going to give basic information about Eid-ul-Adha. So Eid-ul-Adha is one of the biggest festival of Muslim around the world, and this is also called the festival of sacrifice. In this festival, the Muslims sacrifice the animal according to their ability, and share meat with relative and poor people. So this is a very basic information about Eid-ul-Adha, and this Eid-ul-Adha also reminds us the sacrifice of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. And so I have provided the basic information about Eid-ul-Adha. Now I am going to practice English. Okay, so since this is Eid-ul-Adha, that's why I am going to say some sentence about this. So I'm going to ask some question to my brother Johan. Okay, so brother, how are you doing today?
Very well.
Okay, he is well. It's really so nice, and I want to ask you one thing. How is your feeling in this Eid al-Adha? Can you please say?
Very good.
Okay, what do you like the most in this day?
So wearing new clothes and spending time with my family.
Okay. So this is a very basic thing in this Eid al-Adha, because in this day we wear new clothes and spend the time with family. Although many people stay the outside, but in this festival the people come to their home just for spending the time in this day with their family. So this is a very good, and it truly teaches us kindness, sharing gratitude, and sharing goodness. Okay, so if you are new here in this video, I am Mansur Ali Ahmed. I belong to Dhubri district of Assam, which belongs to India, and currently I am pursuing a PhD course in mathematics. And now I would like to ask some question of my brother Johan about his academic life. Like, brother, which class are you studying now?
Class 6.
Okay, he is studying at class 6, and this is the boy with whom I have been practicing English for a very long time, even before starting my English speaking journey through video. So okay, that's why he is very special person for me whenever I come to my village. Although he is very small, but he is one of the best friend of me, because he is the only boy with whom I practice English in my village. Okay, so this is the day 17 of my English speaking practice. Now I am going to conclude this video, and happy Eid-ul-Adha to all Muslims around the world, and celebrate this Eid so nicely. And now I am going to conclude this video. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.